In this video, learn how to use a workflow in Protégé to quickly generate clear, reliable summaries of your uploaded documents, helping you save time and focus on higher value legal work. Let's say you are preparing for a client meeting. Opposing counsel has produced a lengthy contract and several supporting exhibits. You need to understand the key terms, risks, and obligations fast. Access Protégé and select General Workflows. Click Summaries of User Uploaded Documents. Upload the agreement and exhibits. Protégé supports common file types, allowing you to work with contracts, pleadings, transcripts, or internal memoranda, all within a secure environment. When you summarize multiple documents, each summary will be contained on a separate tab. Each summary will contain headings to help you quickly understand the content of the document. Review the generated summary alongside the original source. Protégé workflows maintain transparency by anchoring insights directly to the uploaded material, helping you quickly verify conclusions. This means you spend less time extracting key points and more time analyzing strategy, advising clients, or preparing arguments. With Protégé, you can quickly distill complex documents, identify critical risks and obligations, generate structured summaries tailored to your needs, and maintain confidence in private, secure, authoritative legal AI. Contact your Lexis representative to learn more.